All right. So moving on. In our last video, we talked about arrays. So let's practice what arrays are now. We're going to be creating a simple login form right here. We're going to be using this. So let's just make it bigger so you can see well. Right. So we have our page. We have our welcome message here. So down here, let's make a form. Um, form. A form is going to use the post method. Okay. It's going to use the post method and it's going to submit to. Of course, we can process login.php. We can still break that down into components, but for now, let's just keep it this way. This is our form. This is not going to do anything on your screen right now. So what do we need for our login? Let's see, do we have anything stated for that? I'm working on the wrong page. I'm going to just move this to register. Our own page will have just that. Should be a register. We're working on register now, not login. So let's make this into a paragraph and add some messages here. Make it strong and say welcome, please register. You can also have some instructions down here and say all fields are required, something like that. So our form looks this way. We said we need the first name, the last name, designation, what roles they have in the hospital, we need their email, we need their ID, which will be auto-generated. We don't need to worry about this in our form. Department, password, and that. Let's do that now. Let's just create our form. If you already know how to do this, you don't have to bother about. You can skip to the next video. So let's just quickly do that. I'm going to add a label. Well, of course, I should add a paragraph so it's neat. And then I'm going to add a label. I can only spell it. I wonder why my I'm going to call this first name and add a BR tag here. I'll just take time to do the first one and copy for the rest. My type is going to be my text because I'm talking about first name. The name of this field is going to be first name. I'm a fan of using things like this. I'm going to close that. Let's add a placeholder. A placeholder that says your first. I'll just say first name. No need to write here. First name. Right. So that's that about that. I'm going to copy this. So the rest is just copy and paste. Last name. Change this to last name and this last name. Next up, I'm going to do my I'm going to do my email first because it seems a little more personal and see the others are personal. First name is personal to the person, last name is personal to the person, and email is also personal to the person. So now we can start talking about the other fields that are not really, well, password is obviously personal, so let's do that first. Password. I think it just feels good for the user to be able to fill this part first. Password. Okay, this should be password first. So that's that. You can add some fancy break line here. I mean, horizontal line and then continue with the rest. Say I have my designation. We would make this designation restricted. It will not be this. It's going to be a select because we don't want them to just enter anything they like. We want them to select what we present to them. So I'm going to say my option. I think we already talked about the different available destinations. So let's see. I said we are going to be having medical team or hospital staff. Okay. Let's call them MT. Let's call them MT. MT. of our select field is going to be, let's say, nation, and then duplicate this. Well, they should not be able to register as super admin. Of course, they should be able to register as patient. Right. So, but if they are registering as patient, then we would probably need the agenda. So let's add gender somewhere around here. I'm going to be using a drop down because our hospital only treats 2 gender, male and female. I mean, you can add more if you want. So I'm going to make this female, and then make this male, and then call it gender. So we have our gender in there. We have the designation. We need the, what else do we need? We need the, I think that's all. Department. So right, they can now freely enter the department they work, or the department of the hospital they want to visit. You understand? If it's a medical team, then he's working at a particular department. If it's a, let's copy this. If it's a patient, then he wants to visit a particular department. So we just leave it as department. You can add more description to it. It's going to be a text, and the name is going to be department. Of course, this is wrong. Department, and then placeholder is going to be department. So let's see how our form looks. I'm going to my registration page, and our form looks ugly, but you know it works. You know what? This this horizontal line is actually kind of ugly. It's really ugly. So I'm going to take it out, and then just refresh my page, and I have my form there. Let's create our process login, process register actually, register, and then create this page. So I was saying you could create a folder for pages that process other pages, but I mean, I don't really think I want to do that right now. So I'm going to do this and just print out everything I have here. This has been done in one of our tutorials. So, I'm going to be printing out, so that should be lowercase. I'm going to be printing out everything that was submitted. Like we have already said, this should be terminated. This is going to be an array of everything that is submitted from this form here. So let's go ahead and refresh this page, try to submit the form and see if it works. Well, I'm male, of course, I'm a medical team. My department, well, it could be any, right, we are missing a submit button. That is funny. So submit button would be down here. I know somebody will have noticed it and be like, what is he doing? Anyway, type will be button, no, type will be submit, and I'm going to say register. I mean, you could say proceed or submit or something like that, but I'd rather use register. So refresh my page, my login, my register button is now there. I'll change it to me and medical team. Going to select this and submit. Now I have my array being printed out. Looking, yeah, so now you can see this is an array. It has some elements in it. The first element you have in it is my first name, which is this. Second element is my last name, which is this. So let's see what happens if I do this. Let's see. Refresh, submit. Right, that's not going to work. So you should probably find out why that didn't work, why print works, doesn't work, and print R works. This video is already 9 minutes. I'm trying to keep it under 10 minutes. So we've been able to create a connection between this page and our process page. So on this page now, which is the process page, I'm going to collect each of these items that were submitted. We have no idea what was submitted, but we know their position in the array. So we can use that position to do other things like add them to our database, which is going to be in here, and so on and so forth.